Hello students, let us learn General Science for class 3 from the book Science Square. We are going to learn chapter 7 Insects. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about various types of insects, their structure and life cycle. Let us begin the chapter. There are about million variety of species of insects throughout the world. These are small creatures which forms the largest animal group. Some insects can fly with their wings, while some hop or jump on the ground. Let us learn about the structure of the body. The body of an adult insect is made up of three sections: head, thorax, and abdomen. The head bears one pair of feelers or antenna, one pair of compound eyes, and a number of mouth parts. In the picture, you see concentrate only on the head parts. When you see the head parts, you can see eyes. We call it as a compound eyes. There is a mouth. There is an antenna, which we call it as a feelers. The feelers are meant to find out about their surroundings. The second part of the body of the insect is the thorax. It bears three pairs. Now you concentrate the figure for thorax alone. The figures shows that the thorax has wings, that is two wings, two pairs of wings and three pairs of legs. The difference between the insects and the birds is that insects do not have a backbone. Animals with four pairs of legs like spider are not insects. The third part which we saw in the body was the abdomen. The abdomen is the last part of the body. You can see in the picture there is no legs in the abdomen. It is divided into small sections, or we call it as a segments. The body of the insect is covered with a hard covering called chitin. Insects change their skin periodically. The skin, we'll call it as a cuticle. This process is known as molting, changing of the skin. You can see the similar in a snake also. They changes the skin. Let us see the life cycle of an insect. Most of the insects lay eggs. Eggs develops into an young insect, we'll know it as a larva. The larva is quite different from the adult. Larva changes into sleeping stage, we'll call it as a pupa. The pupa also changes and becomes an adult insect with a wing. It rests for a while to let its wing dry and then flies away. All the four forms together forms a life cycle. The process of changing of larva into an adult, we'll call it as a metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. So, insect lay the egg. Egg first develops into a young insect. That stage we'll call it as a larva. From the larva, it goes for the sleeping stage, pupa. Then from the pupa, it forms a adult insect with wings. From the larva to the adult formation, we call it as a metamorphosis. How do insects breathe? An insect takes in air through the tiny holes present on the body. From the holes, the air goes into the fine tubes. The air reaches every part of an insect body through these tubes. Social insects. Honeybees live in groups in their colonies. They work together and help each other. Therefore, they are called social insects. Similarly, wasps and ants also are called social insects. Useful insects. Ants and beetles clean the ground by eating up dead animals and rotting plants. Bees, butterflies carry pollen stuck to their bodies from one flower to another flower. Harmful insects. Locust and grasshopper are pests which destroy crops by eating them. Cockroaches eat paper, cloth, and food materials. Silverfish eats up paper and the larva of the clothes. Moth makes holes in clothes. The termite eat roots of the plants and feed on the wood. Mosquitoes, head lice, and bedbugs suck our blood carrying malaria. Housefly carries many germs which causes cholera and diarrhea. This is mosquito, cockroaches, and the termites. You can see the termites, grasshoppers in the picture. Let us have a chapter recap. Insects are hexapods, that means they have 6 legs. Body of an adult insect is covered by a hard substance called chitin. Insect pass through a life cycle from egg to larva, larva to pupa, and pupa to adult. Body of an adult insect consists of head, thorax, and abdomen. Some insects are harmful to man. This ends the chapter 7.